Hey everyone, today in front of me I have this VIVO V23 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe down in order to call up for the notification and control panel. Go to the Wi-Fi settings by long pressing on the Wi-Fi icon, Wi-Fi shortcut. Here choose the network that you want to share. In my case it's HardReset.info YT network. Click on this gear icon and here just press on share. So you will be provided with a QR code. As for example, I'll use this Nokia device in order to connect to the network, Wi-Fi network that we shared the password of. So all you gotta do is open up any QR code scanner. In my case it will be the Google Lens that is built into the Nokia camera. So I'll just open up the Google Lens. Here frame the QR code somehow, wait for the QR scanner to recognize it, click on it in my case, and all that is left to do is to tap on this join network button, and as you can see our Nokia device has successfully connected to the HardReset.info YT Wi-Fi network. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.